Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Power down and unplug the PC before touching internal components. Open the case using a Phillips screwdriver and set screws aside. Ground yourself with a wrist strap or by touching the metal case. Gather one SATA cable and one SATA power connector per drive. Prepare a 2.5-inch bracket for an SSD and a 3.5-inch bay for the hard drive. If you have an M.2 SSD, find the dedicated M.2 slot and the single mounting screw. Mount the 3.5-inch HDD into a bay using 4 screws and firm pressure. Secure a 2.5-inch SSD in a bracket or screw it into a 2.5-inch tray. If using an M.2 drive, align it in the slot and tighten the mounting screw gently. Attach one SATA cable to each drive and to motherboard ports 0 and 1. Connect one SATA power cable to each drive from the PSU. Route cables neatly to avoid obstructing fans or airflow. Power on and press the BIOS key to enter firmware settings. Set SATA mode to ASI and set the SSD as the primary boot device. Save settings and reboot into Windows or your OS installer. Open Disk Management to initialize the new drive and format as NTFS or your preferred file system. Use cloning software to transfer the OS from HDD to SSD if you want faster boot times. After cloning, disconnect the old drive temporarily and verify the system boots from the SSD successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.